All right, guys, I'm headed to Miami to pick up my Tesla. I'm kind of nervous because it's so hands-off. I just did everything in the app and I'm trading in my Mercedes. Goodbye. I'm so ready to have a car that doesn't break down all the time and I don't have to get gas every single day almost, it feels like. But yeah, I'm going to take you guys through the process of buying and picking up a Tesla. It was super simple. I went with the Model 3 long range, so we will see how it is. They had one in stock in Miami Gardens, so I ended up getting that one so that I don't have to wait, and I got a little bit of a discount on it since it was there at that location. So let's go pick up my Tesla. I got my watermelon sugar and I'm ready to roll. Let's go. Okay, I'm here for a trade-in. Honestly, I have no idea where to go. I'm just a girl, I don't know anything. Trying to figure that out. I just parked my car and now I'm walking inside. So they said just park it, remember the spot, and everything I did on the app already. So we'll see how quick this process is. Got the keys to the Benz. Keys to the Benz. Okay. Whoops. Goodbye, Mercedes. See you never again. Okay, so that's my car. I'm gonna charge it up before going home. I wish it was already charged, but it's okay. Got my car. It's raining, but look at my cute little name tag.
All the info and videos are in the card just in case.
Okay, okay, good.
But I'll show you now.
Yeah.
It looks like it's starting to rain, so we're gonna try to get you in the car soon. So you're gonna press this little button.
Okay. Oh.
It opens it, right?
Okay.
Now that white indicates that it's like it's prepared for some sort of action. So you literally just put your charger in.
For action.
It's gonna blink blue until it's green. Green means that it's good.
Okay, like good to what? Okay, guys, I'm in my new car. That was so easy. It's so weird. You just get in it and they tell you like 2 things and then you're like, okay. I'm charging it right now before I head back. And I'm just like watching the video trying to figure it out like this. Like, this is wild. These cars do so much, so there's so much to learn. So I will update you guys as I go and I start learning more about it. But there's so many cool features I didn't even know about. I also didn't know these cars, they come with its own Wi-Fi. So like I could be charging and just like work in my car at the same time on my computer. That's crazy. All right, so this morning I am getting my home charger installed finally. So I'm very excited about that. I have been driving the Tesla around now for about a week, and it's really great if you're not going very far, like driving around for errands, going to the gym every day. The charge lasts me a really long time, but anytime I drive about an hour, I definitely have to go charge up beforehand, and that actually gets super annoying if you don't have a home charger. So if you are not able to install a home charger, I would say a Tesla probably is not for you. But if you can, then it's super convenient because you don't have to go get gas or charge hardly ever because you just charge it at night while you're sleeping. So I'm very, very excited to do that today. A little bit of info about installing a home charger. It's going to be over $800. Sometimes it can be around $1,000 to install it, but for the convenience for me of not having to get gas, that's it. That's all I care about. And obviously it pays for itself with how much money you save in gas. So I'll update you guys on that process today when my electrician comes over to install the charger. I just ordered the charger off of the Tesla website. You can also order them on Amazon. It was $475, plus you have to pay the installation after that, and you just have to hire an electrician yourself. So I'll let you guys know on how that process is. It took about a week to come to my house from Tesla, so keep that in mind. Also, I wish that I had it installed before I got the car, so next time that's definitely something I would do. Got all this going on. All right, I got my home charger. It was $880. So a lot of people quoted me like $1,500, but it should be around $800. Yeah, so you can see I have it set up here to fully charge. So this is 5 hours for 100%. But really you're only supposed to charge at 80%, but I'm going kind of long distance. Oh my God, RIP, my gum. So yeah, super exciting. We have a 2-hour drive, and that's just how bad traffic is. Usually it's an hour to Miami. So I'm gonna try out the Autopilot for the first time. I was like too scared to do it. I guess it was like the full self-driving. So yeah, let's go. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, wait, this is kind of scary. Dude, this is crazy. Show how it looks on the screen. Oh my God, I'm like scared actually. Dude, we're zooming. We're zooming in this traffic.
It's going quick. Oh my God, how is this gonna do this merge?
Are we about to switch lanes right now?
I think it's about to merge. Oh.
Holy moly. I'm freaking out. Like my heart is racing actually. This is nuts. I'm not doing anything. I'm just holding the wheel. Kind of like, we're going so fast. Stop it right now. I'm freaking out. Dude, I'm freaking out. I don't know what to think. I don't know what to think.
But it's not freaking me out, but I'm not driving.
We're
so
gonna,
like, you know what I mean?
We're gonna report at the end. I know I can eat my popcorn now. People are braking. Oh, it's braking. People are braking. I literally have my foot
so
like
smart.
ready to brake just in case.
It's so smart. It sees like all the cars. All the cars.
This is pretty crazy. I don't know. It's turning.
Do it.
Guys, so the other lanes are going a little quicker, so I'm going to tell Tessie to change lanes. Let's go.
Oh.
I'm freaking out. I'm sweating. Let's go in this lane. Oh my God. It's letting this car pass me, and then it's going to try to get it over. Where are we going? Oh my God, this is so weird.
How it's like calculating, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's another Tesla right there.
This is so crazy.
It's actually nice because it brakes before like a human processes.
Yeah, because so if you see on the map, the car, it processes the speed of a car is like 2 ahead of me. So the car actually brakes before like my brain would even know
100%
to slow down. It's actually pretty crazy. So to take it on and off the auto, all you have to do is just lightly press the brake, and then it's back to your self-driving, which I thought it would be kind of like a difficult transition. But it's very smooth when you do that. It doesn't like stop or halt. It just kind of slowly like waits for you to put your foot back on the acceleration. Pretty cool stuff.